Amari a keri na kuria marakorirwo magishinda dhahabu ikumi, silver, inyanya oro hamwe na bronze. Mugwanja Ezekiel machogu uria ni minister wa githomo guku bururi-ini niwe ukoretwo ukiamukira aruutwo aya na kuhigite ati ni guthi na mbere na gutire ati ni mahura njeki mari ta thirikari mbitika cia mathukuru.
Of thanking our team that represented the country in Rwanda. All the teams that we sent actually came out very well. They did very well. They were our ambassadors in Rwanda, and you can see that we were able to get various types of trophies.
We have teams which have currently come back from Rwanda, and we are very proud. At least we have done so well with 10 gold, 8 silver, and 7 bronze. Basically, the issue of age actually came in, and this came as a result of the difference in the kind of education systems in these 4 countries or 5 countries in East Africa.
I'm proud of my team. In terms of support, they should assist on the equipments, and also the pitch.
Tukithina mbere ni ati nacio mbitika inyanya riu ni ikitie kana ni itanyitwo